Once upon a time in a lush meadow, there lived a mighty bull and a diligent bee. The bull, with his impressive horns and muscular build, was admired by all the animals for his strength and dominance. The bee, on the other hand, was small and often overlooked, spending her days collecting nectar and making honey. One summer day, a terrible drought struck the meadow. The once vibrant flowers withered, and the streams ran dry. The animals, struggling to find food and water, turned to the bull for help. Confident in his strength, the bull declared, "I will use my power to find water and restore the meadow." He roamed the land for days, pushing through dry fields and rocky terrain, but he found no sign of water. Exhausted and disheartened, he returned to the meadow with nothing to offer. Meanwhile, the bee continued her work, gathering tiny drops of dew and searching for any surviving blossoms. She knew her efforts seemed insignificant compared to the bull's strength, but she believed every small action counted. One day, as the bee buzzed near the edge of the meadow, she discovered a hidden spring beneath a cluster of rocks. With great effort, she managed to alert the other animals by leaving a trail of nectar leading to the spring. Slowly but surely, the animals followed her trail, and the once dry meadow began to recover. The bull, witnessing the bee's determination and the result of her seemingly small efforts, realized the true value of persistence and teamwork. He approached the bee and said, "I was wrong to think that strength alone could solve all problems. Your small but consistent efforts have saved us all." The bee replied, "Every action, no matter how small, contributes to the whole. Strength is important, but so is perseverance and working together." From then on, the bull and the bee became allies, combining their strengths to keep the meadow thriving. The bull used his power to clear paths and protect the animals, while the bee continued to pollinate flowers and find resources. The lesson of the story is that while strength and power are valuable, the persistence and seemingly small actions of each individual can be equally crucial. True success often comes from a combination of different efforts and working together towards a common goal. Please subscribe to the channel for more stories.